Hi, good morning and welcome to my cable and euro dollar video. Okay, as we know, dollar index is falling. We're only allowed to sell dollars until dollar index hits that 80.05 level, which could be, and you know how all these things perfectly align themselves, which should be perfectly in line with cable hitting that 159.97. So at the moment, if you can get a long entry, absolutely get long. But at the moment, do not look for any reversal plays until we hit this 159.97. Okay, so anywhere within 20 or 30 pips of that with a stop the other side of that. Just have a look at the hourly chart. You can see this morning, it all went at 1 o'clock. The risk is too high. You're only allowed to sell dollars. You can't buy cable today. You've got to wait. The stochastic is well out of court. On this, it's all been about buying off the 4-hour 20. I can't even think about that time, my order back there. But anyway, that was the trade really of the week. Silly on my perspective, but that's the way it goes. It's very simple. Just stay with the trend for now. We can't buy. If it goes up another 200 points a day, fantastic. I'm not going to be in it. I'll only look for the short off that 160 level. Hopefully, as I said, that will tie in with the dollar index. Okay, so otherwise, best left alone for the time being. Let's have a look at euro dollar. To be honest, I'm going to get rid of that line just for now. Much prefer my horizontal lines. Again, this is going to tie in with dollar index. 133.35 is the major resistance. Okay, this gets up here, dollar index at 80.05. That is the time. Then we look for reversals. The RSI 14 is getting overbought. It still needs to go up another 180 odd pips or so before I can even consider it. Are there any long plays? Well, the only long plays you can do today is if it comes down to support, back down at the daily pivot and back down at this support line. That will be key. Now, what's important with the reversals, just to remember this, yes, you can either hit the kiss of the reversal. If this hits 133.35, or within 15-20 pips of that vicinity, then it's good to give yourself a little bit of distance with your stop loss, because sometimes the market does just pip up and then obviously fall back through it again. So you can either do that, or you can obviously wait for the hourly chart to confirm that we are in the reversal. Now, what would confirm it? Well, very simply, a break below the daily pivot, a break below support. So again, you'd need a lower low. So again, at the moment you've got higher highs, so you'd need a break below this low here, below the daily pivot, and then a pull back up. It's all about let the big move go, let the pull back. It will always pull back up to this old support, which would then be the resistance, before falling back off again. That's what's key. It's a 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's for your safest option. Okay, but there is always that opportunity to look for that short right at that major resistance level. So these levels are definitely coming up. The market obviously feels it wants to test them, so keep an eye. Another 180 points to go on euro dollar. Can't get an entry this morning. Long and cable, again, we have another sort of 300 or 280 odd points before we hit that level. Okay, so stay with the trend for now if you can get in. To me at the moment, you're not going to be able to get in this morning. But don't forget to look for these reversal plays at the top, because I do believe these will be significant moves back again. Okay, thanks so much. Bye for now.